These people are in hospital for a long time and their family have to work or they live a long way away. They feel unnoticed, and then for somebody to go up and show that they actually care lifts them.
On a Wednesday, we're lucky enough to be able to go up there and we have a pamper session. So we paint their nails, massage their hands.
Braid their hair.
Yes, that's true too.
I do haircuts up there. I cut patients' hair who can't get out to have their hair cut and feel pretty raggedy because nobody feels good being in hospital. So I'll come and cut their hair and make them feel better.
We've got a lovely group of ladies and they're all there for the same reason, and they all can't do enough to help everybody and each other as well.
They're amazing. The pink ladies, they're just wonderful. And the Maroon Men. And the Maroon Men.
Yes.
For many of the people who come to hospital, it's a very strange, very confused place. They might have come through emergency. There may not be anybody who has time to pack them a bag. So the volunteers will provide them with a nightie, underwear if they need it, and just that little tiny piece of kindness. And it's those little things that make all the difference.
It could probably be as simple as getting a patchwork quilt and taking it up to a patient. It just makes their day. They really appreciate you being there. They can't wait for you to come back. Their eyes light up. It's a big reward that you get from doing something like that.
They're so happy. And I can do that. That's me doing it, and it just makes me really happy. I get as much out of it as what they do.